Welcome to Baz Travels. If you value these 8K immersive tours, please subscribe and like the video. It only takes a few seconds. Your support is the only way I can keep this channel going and continue bringing you these high quality experiences. Thank you for being here. Leaving the civic and cultural hubs behind, we turn onto one of the most famous pedestrian thoroughfares in the world, Lincoln Road. Our journey starts at the intersection of Washington Avenue, moving east towards the Atlantic Ocean. To understand Lincoln Road, you have to understand the vision of Carl Fisher, the man who essentially invented Miami Beach. Back in the early 20th century, Fisher envisioned this stretch as the Fifth Avenue of the South, a high-end shopping district that would rival the most prestigious streets in New York and Paris. For decades, Lincoln Road was a traditional street where cars shared space with luxury boutiques and grand theaters. However, by the late 1950s, the area was losing its luster as people moved towards modern enclosed shopping malls. In 1960, the city made a bold and revolutionary move. They hired the legendary MiMo Miami modern architect Morris Lapidus to transform the street into a pedestrian-only mall. Lapidus, famous for designing the Fontainebleau Hotel, brought his signature theatrical style to the pavement, installing iconic concrete follies, dramatic water fountains, and lush tropical planters. It was one of the first pedestrian malls in the United States, and it completely redefined the social fabric of South Beach. As we walk towards the beach, you can see how Lapidus's vision still dictates the energy of the space. The wide open promenade allows for a seamless flow of people from all over the globe. It is quite simply the best place in Miami for people watching. On one side you have high-end retail and historical facades like the Lincoln Theatre. On the other you have endless rows of outdoor cafes and restaurants, where the clink of glasses and the sound of a dozen languages fill the air. The transition towards the beach is palpable. The salt air begins to mix with the scent of espresso and perfume, and the architecture starts to lean more heavily into the Art Deco aesthetic. This section of Lincoln Road acts as a natural bridge between the commercial heart of the city and the natural beauty of the coast. It's a place that celebrates the stroll, the idea that the journey is just as important as the destination. What makes this walk so special for Baz Travels is the sheer variety. One moment you're admiring a piece of mid-century modern architecture, and the next you're passing a street performer or a world-class art gallery. As the road finally opens towards the beach, you realize that Lincoln Road isn't just a shopping destination. It's a living museum of Miami's social and architectural history. It remains the beating heart of South Beach, a place where the city's past glamour and its modern cosmopolitan energy exists in perfect harmony.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.